Alright, this is my bike. I got the Fit DAC frame. It's pretty good. Get some little scratches in there.
Yeah.
I got the Cane Creek headset with the animal takeoff stem. Is that what it's called? Takeoff?
Yeah, no, it's like remix or something, is it? Oh.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, jump off remix.
Yeah, it was something like that. And I got Fly Montana 2 bars, pretty sick. With Chase Hawk grips, got some scratches in there.
The Barnes.
Cuts. Same thing, Chase Hawk grips, Barnes. I got these DK Race folks. I do not recommend them, they suck. I got the Primo N4FL complete wheel. And I got the hub guard with it too. And I got this cheap peg that my friend Jeff gave me. And I got Duo 2.25s, Tanner wheels. Alright, let's move on to my cranks. I got the Profile spline line,
Yeah, spline drive.
Spline drive with the tree sprocket and a KMC chain with demolition pedals. I like these pedals because they're cool and they're nice.
Yeah.
I also have the FBM heart seat. I like that, it's really squishy and comfortable. I have the Colt seat post. It's good. Well, I don't know if seat posts are good or bad. It didn't break on me yet. I got the Odyssey Hazard complete wheel. Same thing, 2.25 Duo 10-hole, whatever, tires. I got the same thing as the back with the peg is from my friend Jeff. And this roster string that I stole from Tyler Milford. Alright.
Dual tire.
Yeah, dual tires. And
yep, that's your bike.
Yep, that's my bicycle.